Poppy Playtime Chapter 3.
Game. Nasaktin na kaya ako no game. Sulis bilang ni kong kadwak pag yan no game. Mispilin na kaya kadwak po.
What's the time?
Playtime! S-M-I-L-E every day! When you are down and out, no need to frown and pout. The smiley critters here to say S-M-I-L-E every day!
The wind's really scary. I can't sleep.
Hey, we'll be okay, guys. I promise. All winds blow away. Eventually. Catnap! Please, help us go to sleep, Catnap!
We need it, Catnap.
Please help us!
Sleep, sleep, sleep!
Everyone knows Huggy Wuggy and Poppy Playtime, but are your children safe from Playtime Co.'s latest toy? What you've seen here is Playtime Co.'s own Smiling Critters, a limited series cartoon meant to celebrate the release of the toys sharing its name. Yet both now face the fire sparked by the inclusion of one key member. This is Catnap. And like the others of his line, you just pull his little tail and seems innocent enough. However, parents across the country report their children experiencing strange and often violent nightmares. And beside them, their little, grinning Catnap doll. Now, with controversy growing, Playtime Co. has announced the recall of all Catnap toys from the Smiling Critters line. His image cleared from all promotional material. But damage already done, will disappearing be that easy? The exact cause of these incidents still unknown, only one thing appears glaringly certain. Your children are not safe with Catnap.
Оқарфигиссуасси спилируни аллартингила тассаами мааттуиннарпо аниситаарунга иерлааннаавик алуара сусоқарнерсо таава унасиулла таассума тингунгаангува эққааманикунгилара уни такутиссуара киулларме эққаамасанни қимуттуиттуни иппунга Dawa pisokak pajutan Iba't pisokan ni ko mami. Spilita sunga nakipini ko mo. Tumutama kipin ng narani. Ano pisokang na takunikong ira. Tasanga na nang nakpo ni spilita mat nakpo. Kisya minawa. Atta sakti pa Sivisualen allaqtin liarsari. Pilliä se allaqti. Okei. Shoki. Manipaki mo nga. Spilling siya minta nakakanguna siya nga doon. Dapat spilling ak sa chinyak tayo kasi. Nothing siya pa. I'm back! Hawakan ko yung aksapan. Bembok. Ôi chị mặc kỳ khắc ba, khắc nét, khắc vào man. Come back, khắc vào man. I see. Pa. Very, very slow. Sumittungan ako na tama-tama na. Anong nila ako aktivaris?
All right, Miss Harper. Please explain the situation. Spare no detail. Well, like any night, all the children were getting sleep. It was peaceful, quiet. Catnap had the red smoke in the room. Then suddenly, there was this scream. Nightmares happen, I know, but this, dilated pupils and quivering lips. The way her eyes darted around the room, and I swear, her hand in mine, it felt like her blood was boiling beneath her skin. She saw something too, something horrible. I'm sorry, I don't mean to. Miss Harper, we'll provide the very best care we can offer. You have my word. But this is important. Did Marie happen to describe what she saw? Yes, a monster, she said that it was colorless. Gosh, I could feel the poor little heart pounding. For her, it was right there. And her movements, they were so wild. Arms flailing, legs kicking. I wanted to talk to her, see how she's doing. I really need to hear her voice right now.
That would not be advised, Miss Harper. There are many concerns we must address at this time. But vitals show normal, and we'll continue to monitor. She'll be okay.
No! Well, pardon me if I'm not comforted by that. Just bring my little girl back to me.
Markiplier tässä unapuaan. Automatisk dag. Og jeg synker Emma Donas spillinger er civilisation nabo. Der var der reaktionsspillinger til sin reaktion så pingisan. Millioner i der sin reaktion så. Ja meget ved. Oplukke. Karung kita sih kucing yurika. Kisian ni. Dapat kisah spillang dia aku. Reaktion adalah susah suara.
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey, I remember you. An elephant always remembers.
Who am I?
Want to know what I remember about you?
Ja. Anong matrak mo ha?
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey, I remember you.
Yes. Beautiful.อย่าไปเจอลูกศพไทยจากชู한번 먹사시지 뭐.
Hey, can you hear me? You look kind of lost. I don't want you to die, so I'm gonna help you. Check this out. Look at the tube thing on the back wall. Ready? Boom! You can use that battery to open the door.
Where? Where is he? Takong ginaka? Ano sinabi nga? Nakto ko yung may. Takong ginaka o nakisimi. Takong gitok pa ka. Ayoko na. Dami. Ay, puta.
Whoa! Did you do that? I guess that's where Catnap found you. I know you're probably mad at Poppy for not letting you escape, but she needs you. We need you. You are our mission. Together, we can save a lot of people, including you. Playcare is straight ahead. It's the home of Catnap, one of the smiling critters. There used to be 8 of them, I think. Now it's just him. Playcare is his church, his hunting ground, whatever he wants it to be. You better get moving quickly. We'll keep in touch. Oh, and by the way, my name is Ali. Nice to meet you.
Ollie. Holy Queen. Holy Queen. Where are you? Holy Queen. Sao mình chỉ ngồi sức cười mặt tung cái sợ. Xịt con cái rõ. Holy Queen. Where are you? Nạp tiếng cho và парнаққусоруна тимми спиллиингерланератtuu таверсинарнерулаарнерусsu спиллиингерлерсортипаллуллугу анасуна Give me 5. No, takwa i kartu ngasata. Wangan. Outjuusarikki. Isaman nasa piderluga. Ashinguimi. Isimiderangama.
Hey, I'm Chicken! Wanna go outside and hang out?
Chicken!
It's looking pretty rad outside!
Quack quack. Anong ba? Quack quack. Nak, anong ba? Paano si Pelimitong ba?
I've never been outside before. Will you come with me? I'm scared.
Good.
Here, follow me. I'll step out first. Hey, I'm Chicken! Wanna go outside and hang out?
Quack quack. Ang bata ba ito? Nakakamasan. Ano na sunda? Ito si Quadraro. Baka itisan niyo rikak bunga. Ama bisa ko tawas lang as pili. Let's go kunam.
Hello, my name is Elliot Ludwig. When you look around at the world today, what one thing do you think it needs more of? I asked around once. Money, I never have enough. Understanding, I can never get any. Faith, the common man has lost it. Each answer was different, and I could perhaps see some little truth in each. But I think each was also missing something. Something simple. You see, not one of them could muster a smile. A smile is hope. A smile is love. A smile is understanding. And there is nothing more gratifying to my soul than being the reason for a child's smile. To be the spark that ignites all their hopes and dreams. For it is only through hopes and dreams that we may create a better world. One where our children need not be afraid. One where they are protected. After all, this company and its toys are nothing without them. These children deserve to smile, they deserve to love, and they deserve a safe home. That is why it is with enormous pleasure that as the founder of Playtime Co., I announce Playcare, our very own on-site orphanage. But it's not only that. It's a school, a playhouse, a place to belong. Our very own ecosystem beneath the surface, dedicated in every inch and detail to ensuring a child's smile. Its teachers and counselors, mothers and fathers, until such a time they have all of that in you. May Playcare bring joy, inspiration, and smiles to all who enter these doors. For what gives life its meaning if not a smile?
Tuayak tunak tuana. أيوة أختو. What's up?
It's me again, Ollie. Cool place, right?
Mm-hmm.
The kids used to live here. Now look at it. Anyways, do you see that statue in the middle of the room?
Yeah.
Take the stairs that go under it. There's a really cool room in there that powers literally all of Playcare. I can give you a key down there.
Số nó cục biển á, ayaw ano akto may số no mandi ako kan. Ako naktoyo. Ekimo. Una sokto. I hate you. I hate you. I like you. I like you. I hate you. Dava. Không có hoàng nó tu là đang đó sọc. Dava nó đây rồi nó sẽ đi tục cảnh nóc đặt được đó. Cool.
So, you got the key. Now the question you're probably asking yourself is, where does it go? Well, head back out, and you should find a door just to the left of the cable car you took down here.
Số này tao bị sức chi rồi. Cool, Akatsuki! Ah, no, naktin daw. Trong nakak. Maksin na. Trong nakak food sila. Ano ma? Pray.
Dog Day says, fetch! Dog Day says, fetch!
Hi there. I'm Piggy. Let's eat. I'm Hoppy Hopscotch. Wanna try hopping to the moon with me? Hi, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting? Pass me the blue, please.
Quapticon!
Hi, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting? Pass
I'm
me the
Bubba
blue, please.
Bumpafant. Hey, I remember you.
What am I?
I'm Bubba Bumpafant. Hey, I remember you. Hey, I'm Chicken. Wanna go outside and hang out?
Oh,
Hi, I'm Bobby Bear Hug. Wanna know how much I love you?
hello Freddy. How are you today?
Dog Day says, fetch!
Hi there, I'm Piggy. Let's eat.
No, open. Okay. Bibira ka man ni kitong wamin. Wangan niya ni ngoma. Siyo muna. Ay nga matuapper. Ani kituan daw Steve ang nakisyon ni. Tao puan do. Ako chikon ma. Kanong nga mato. Tama reaksyon ko. Tara! Okay. Busy.
Welcome to the gas production zone, the beating heart of the whole evil Playcare system. All that gas you see coming from the machine is made right here in the factory. It's called the red smoke. Right now, it's all headed off to the right. We need to make that red smoke go left instead. That's how we can get to him. The machine will probably have a few dumb safeguards for you to work around, but I think you can do it. I'll call you once it's done.
No open. No battery. Are you joking me? Nobody button. Hello. I got the battery. Dona. Anna beach. Something so hardly. It's not good or bad. It's bad. Yes, it's back. Kapinaktuak pusok. Naman po napitaan niya kasi mawaka. Something so bad. No joke, something so bad. Bad news, everyone. 1, 2, 3. It's not good or bad. Yes, it's bad. We did it. Hey, cho me. It's not good or bad. Live. It. I spring down. Spring. Bum, 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 bum. Ay, so siya po. Shoo, one. Okay. Hey! Understand. Boost. Ooh. Oh, what you say? Push the pen. Bye. La 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 la. Now, used to be here and. Okay. Come on, help me shine. Okay. Go. Hey. Hey. Cheers. Hey, do you want that?
Someone killed the power. Okay, I sent you another key. It's under the statue. Use it to get into Home Sweet Home. Then once you're inside, find the building's backup generator. Good luck!
So, nanaktarak po si nasa pa si naksaks pa si tama si ba to siya mo ta ko skabe ha ha ha.